Hi, this is Mary with My Beautiful Mess. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a happy planner ornament. And if you've been following along, I've been doing lots of fun Christmas crafts using happy planner stuff. It's just a fun way to incorporate your planning obsession with your Christmas decor. So I've been doing a few other ones, like maybe you caught my video. I did a happy planner snow globe, which is really, really cute. Very, very cute. That was very easy to make. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that I actually made a little disc ornament using this kind of clamshell little globe, ornament globe. And I basically just got this and put my extra discs in it and just closed it up and hung it on the tree, and it's super cute. So it takes no skill at all to do that. You can do something with your extra discs, and if you want, you can take it apart at the end of the season and you still have all your discs. So today we're going to do kind of a winter scene in the globe. So I'm using the Squad Life sticker book because they're so stinking cute. And we're going to end up using some of these stickers, but for now, the other thing that you're going to need is you're going to need some clear acetate. You can get this at like office supply stores, or Hobby Lobby sells it as well in the scrapbooking section. It comes in letter size sheets, and all I did was kind of cut it down to like a more manageable piece. And then I basically just scored it in half. I just scored it in half because what we're going to do is we're actually going to use this to kind of stand up in our globe. And then you're going to need some double-sided foam tape. Again, you can find this at hobby stores, Michael's, Joann, Hobby Lobby all have it. It's double-sided, and that's going to help us actually keep this in place in our globe. You'll need some scissors. And then you'll need the globe itself. And the globe I found at Hobby Lobby. I've not seen Michael's or anywhere else carry it, but I'm sure you can probably find something like it. Hobby Lobby has it in their Christmas craft section. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our acetate. So if you have it, go ahead and score it, cut it down to like a kind of close to that size. And then what we're going to do is, this is going to be our base, and we're basically going to apply the stickers on this side so that when we stick it inside, it'll kind of look like they're standing up. Okay, and then the last thing that you're going to need is you're going to need some fake snow. They have some at Hobby Lobby and Michael's that are kind of more, they're kind of flake-like and they're iridescent. You can use that if you want. I bought these and I'm regretting it only because they go everywhere, and you're probably going to see me spill it all over the place because there just seems to be like no graceful way to like manage this. But we're basically going to use that as our snow. So go ahead and take your stickers, any stickers you want. It does not have to be these two. And you can apply them. Now you want to make sure you don't put them too high on the acetate because you want them to look like they're going to be in the snow. So a good way to kind of gauge that is, you're going to fill like the bottom with snow. So you might want to aim for doing them like right around here. And we may have to reapply them. Like, we may totally have to do that. We're going to see how this works out. I'm not pressing down on them too hard because I might have to reapply them. And I'm hoping this will actually fit. I may actually have to, I think I'm actually going to trim this off because I'm kind of worried about it not fitting very well. So I'm just going to just trim that off, just so I'm not like worried about it. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of put this one, I think, just like a little higher. Okay. And one thing I want to do is just make sure that it fits in the globe, that my scene fits in the globe, and it does. So what we're going to do now is we're basically just going to trim this down. So we're going to start by trimming this scene. So I would just take your scissors and cut as close to the sticker edge as you can. So we minimize like how much acetate is showing. And you don't need to be like super precise. I don't think that matters. And I can't really give you exact measurements here on like how you're going to trim it, because it's going to vary depending on what kind of sticker you use. But let's see if I can get that little edge. There we go. So then we're going to do our base, and we're going to end up probably cutting in like a little bit around here. But I'm going to start by kind of cutting, kind of just like a little piece. You actually don't need a lot of base. So I'm just going to cut like this. And this might even be too big still. We're just going to see how it works. And it's going to be a little trial and error. You'll just kind of have to play with it a little bit. See, I think this is going to need to be a little smaller to actually fit well in here. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm going to need to trim it down a little more. So I'm going to trim this space down more because I want it to sit a little deeper. I want it to sit deeper into the globe. So to do that, I'm just going to trim it on the edges a little more. See, because I want it to kind of be like that. So the smaller you make the base, the deeper it's going to sit. And I might do just a tad more. Just a teeny tad more. Make sure it's good and snug at the bottom. Okay. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach my foam tape. And this is double-sided. And you probably only need a couple of pieces. So I'm going to put one here and put another one here. And I'm going to take off the other side, because this is the part we're going to stick to the globe. Okay. And then we're just going to stick this right inside, just like that. Just like that. See how that works? See, they're standing up. You can see from the side, they're standing up in the globe, just like that. Okay, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to pour in our snow. Y'all, if this goes everywhere, if this goes everywhere, y'all just bear with me, because when I used this for the other project, it was just like, it was a fiasco. Okay, so we're just gonna pour it in. And you can pour in as much or as little snow as you want. It's really up to you. And you might just kind of want to play it by ear and get it in there and just kind of see what it looks like. See, like I think it needs a lot more snow. I want a little more snow in here. So I'm going to open this up. And please don't spill everywhere. Okay, and I'm just gonna pour a little more in, because I basically don't want any of the acetate on the bottom to show. So I think that's plenty. Okay, And then you're just going to snap this on. And if you wanted to make this really permanent, you can use like super glue. I like to use this precision pen because it goes on really precise. And it's, I mean, you can see like the tip here, like you have a lot more control over it than the little squeezy bottles. You still squeeze it, but it's got a nice little tip and it feels like a pen when you're holding it. So it's a lot easier to work with, I think. But if you want to make it permanent, so we're, you know for a fact none of this is gonna break open at some point and spill all over your floor. If you've got kids playing with ornaments on your tree, that might be a good idea to do. And you're just gonna snap this on. Oop, that's why it's not snapping on, because I don't have it right. It's got to line up. These little things have to line up. Still not doing it right. Okay. Okay. And you can just move your snow around any way you want it. And there it is, your ornament. It's super cute. Let me see if I can do this for you. You can kind of see it. They look like they're skiing in there and having fun. And it's gonna look super cute when it's on a tree. So there you go, really easy, done in just a few minutes. And you can use any stickers you want to do it. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button before you leave, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more ideas and planner spreads. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.